All right, so let's start with part 2 of the live here. What, Georgie? Oh, okay. So I think today I'm actually going to go in with our stick foundations. The stick foundation is super awesome. They're matte. They are full coverage. Now I do not do a lot right away because I don't want to look really freaking cakey. So this is like how much I start out with my stick foundations. So my stick foundation with Younique, if you guys want to be color match, just let me know, comment below, color match foundation sticks, and I will send you a message. Now these are full coverage foundations, super nice. They're not like a heavy foundation, but it is very creamy, and if you put too much on, you're gonna look very cakey, very crazy. So this is how much I put on right now. Now I do try to like put on a little bit more, just like little dots right here, right here, right here, just like that, very light. And then of course I come back and do a little bit more on the stick foundations. So I am color Organza and Scarlet. Where did I put my brush? Okay, so these two are two different, of course, shades. Organza has like a pink blue complexion tone, and then Scarlet has like more of a beige tone but lighter. So I mix those two together and they become my perfect shade. So I try to like miss the eye area, thank you, the under eyes, because I'm using a different stick foundation. So I will be using this shade Tool for my concealer. So even though I put Scarlet under where I would normally conceal, but this is where I use the shade Tool. Same areas as Scarlet, pretty much, just under, without the under eye. And then I can go in with a beauty blender. Hey Georgie, what are we doing? He's probably eating his yogurt. My son woke up while I was doing my first live, so I stopped the live and brought him down here, got him dressed, and yogurt. Yeah, he's eating his yogurt. All right, so you can just blend it out with your beauty sponge, or you can blend it out with your brush. It's whatever you want to do. All right, my next shade as well, I'm using the shade Sienna, and this is what it looks like. So just a little bit, like right here, right here, right here, your normal places, like that. Super easy. You can use, use your sponge or your brush, whatever you want to do. Hi. Hey, Bubba. Oh, is the stuff in your way? I need to clean up my spot. or my area a little bit. I got too many boxes right next to me. No, no, no. No, no, no. Alright, and then of course I get it blended in my nose. Oh my. Is our hand good? Yeah? Good to know. Good to know. Oh goodness. Are we okay? Yeah? Okay. And just putting some color back in the face because I was starting to look flat. Alright. Now I do put on some powder just so that I can help it keep my makeup in place. So I'm going to use a shade that's not Younique. And then this will be helping everything stay. And then also blending everything together too. Just because I was looking a little crazy. Alright. If anyone has questions about signing up, oops, let me know. And then I'm going to use the shade Supple here. This is our blushers. I'm going to use your truck. And this has like a shimmer to it as well. Alright. I am so excited to find out what our monthly special is because I don't know, I get so excited. I get so excited. Alright. I'm going to put on some of our Twisted mascara here. And then George is funny. I accidentally woke up my husband and I think we more like scared him this morning because George like woke up, or not woke up, George had like started crying. Hi, Baba. Yeah. George woke up and then I got him dressed and he started crying. And then I think we woke up Tyler, my husband, and he, I think we scared him. Oh. I'll let that dry. So whenever that happens, you can get a spoolie and just spoolie that part out right there. It won't mess up your foundation or anything. Alright.
Daddy.
Yeah, daddies. That's Daddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah.
A box.
Yeah, it's a box.
A box.
A box. Oh my gosh, I slept wrong. What? Oh my word. Do I have something? Let me help you, George. Where did he go? Oh. Oh my 2-year-olds.
Dip.
Yeah.
Eat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, poop.
You did not poop. Fun times, right, you guys? Oh, no. All right, so I am using the shade Brazen for my highlighter. Actually just got Daddy. Yeah, that's George Robert. That's Daddy's.
Daddy.
Yeah, that's Daddy's. You leave that alone.
Daddy.
Yeah, that's Daddy's. You leave that alone. So this is not like a crazy highlighter. I was actually really afraid of that just because like I have not really gotten not really interested in a lot of like bright highlighters. George Robert. And a lot of crazy highlighters. So this is a really pretty one as well. And it's a really pretty eyeshadow topper as well. Alright. So hi George.
Hi.
Oh, he's telling you hi to everyone.
Hi. Hi.
You are a dork. But yeah, today starts a new month for Younique, and we are doing we're going to be having a new monthly special. And then for me and then for me, I am trying to, my goal for that is to help people like sign up if they're interested in signing up with Younique. I'm going to use the shade I'm Blushing. He is such a, he is something, isn't he? Oh no!
Daddy, you look.
Oh yeah? Oh no!
Daddy.
621. Alright, I'm using the shade I'm Blushing. And I love this liquid lip, or even all of our liquid lips, because of it fitting our lips.
Daddy.
Yeah, leave that alone, Bubba.
Daddy.
Yeah? Uh-huh. Alright, so I use the shade I'm Blushing. This is a really pretty shade as well. It's like a nice pink shade. So I really like it. I really like it a lot. Oh, and then now the mascara. I'm not really talented, but it's okay. Alright, you guys, I'm going to hop off. I hope you all enjoyed this live. If you guys want to sign up, whether you guys want to sign up for your business or you want to sign up and just get the kit and try out the products, you guys certainly can. My eye's like kind of crazy. But just comment below if you guys are interested and I will send you a message. My link is also in the description box. So if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. And I will see y'all soon. Bye, guys.